Hello students, welcome to my online lecture session of subject DWPD. Today we are continuing our unit 3 working with PHP arrays and functions, and the topic name is associative array and for each statement. Objective. In this video we are covering what is associative array, syntax of associative array, example of associative array, and then for each statement which is used with associative array. Now start our session with associative array. There are three types in array which are discussed in a previous video. First is numeric array or index array, second one is associative array, and third one is multidimensional array. In a numeric array, there is a key which is associated with each and every element of array is integer. While in associative array, each element having key associated with it, and it can be either numeric or string. For a syntax of associative array is $array name equal to array, then in bracket key 1, then equal to angle bracket value 1, then key 2, then value 2, and it is continue for key and value n. So each and every value is associated with a particular key, and it is not compulsory these key are in consecutive, means in sequence. For example, here I write one PHP script with a numeric key. So in a PHP script I create a one array variable, name is name, equal to, using array function I create a associative array. So in bracket I write key which is 19. For example, here I use key as an enrollment number. So the enrollment number of student Arpan is 19, for example. Then 19 is a key and student name is Arpan, which is a value. Second student is Charmi, so it is a value, and 21 which is a key. So each and every key is associated with a particular value. Then after creating associative array, in next line I write one statement print underscore r, which is used to print a array, same as numeric array, and in bracket write the array name, which is a $name. So this script generate a output like this: array 19 which is a key which is associated with student name Arpan, 21 is a key which is associated with Charmi. So here we can see that this key is not in a sequence, it is in a randomly. Now second example. In second example, I create a PHP script using a string key. So in PHP script, I write one variable $marks, means array name is a $marks. Then using array function create a associative array, and in between a parenthesis write subject name as a key and marks as a value. So here I write one subject Java which is a string. So this key is written between a double inverted comma, double quotation mark, then equal to bracket equal to, then greater than sign, then marks. Then again DWPD subject, and it is also a string, so write in a double quotation mark, then equal to, an angle bracket, then 30, and then parenthesis and semicolon. Now after creating array $marks, To print a value of each and every subject with marks, use the print underscore r function. So output of this code is like this: array in bracket, which is a key Java, and associated marks is 25. Then DWPD, which is also a key, and associated marks is 30. Now, first perform a practical which show the associative array. So, open a notepad file, notepad++. In notepad++, write a PHP script. So, here I write PHP and at last closing of PHP tag, and in between this I create two array. First array with a numeric key. So I write a one variable $a equal to create a array using a array function. Then in bracket I write numeric key. So there is a no need of double quotation mark. Then equal to angle bracket and write student name. For example, Urjit. Okay. Then first student is completed. Then write second key. Then again value Shaili. Okay. Then again comma. Then write any key with third student name Nidhi. Okay, so here 10 is a, for example, roll number which is given to student Urjit, 20 is a roll number which is given to student Saili, and 30 is a roll number which is given to the Nidhi. So here 10, 20, 30 is a key, and Urjit, Saili and Nidhi are student names. After creating associative array, in next line, I write print underscore r function which is print the array $a. Okay, this is an example of associative array with a numeric key. After that, write one echo statement and write BR tag. Now create a second array, associative array B with a string as a key. So here, for example, I write subject name as a key and its code, subject code is as a value. For example, I write for first subject DWPD. So it is a key and also a string. So write DWPD in a double quotation mark. Then assign a subject code 3350702. After creating one element, write another Java, then 3350703. Okay. Now next, third subject, for example CNS, and it is a key and its value is 3350704. Okay. Now here again I create an associative array with a string as a key. So subject name is as a key and its code is as used as a value. When we use a number, then there is no need of a double quotation mark. It is directly written as a value. Now again use print underscore r function to print the value of second array. So array name is $b. Now complete. Okay, now save this script and open the browser. Here write localhost, then practical, and our file name is a.php. So practical a.php. Now this is the output of associative array. First array is created using a numeric key and the second array is created using a string key. Okay. Now start with a new topic, which is a for each statement. It is used to for a looping purpose in array. If you want to perform some task repeatedly for each elements of an array, for each looping structure is used. Syntax of for each statement is like this: for each in bracket $array name as $value. $value is any variable name. Then in open and closing bracket, write the code which is want to repeatedly for each elements of an array. Now, in for each loop, how many times the loop will execute? It depends on the number of elements in the array. For example, in the array, there are 5 elements, then the loop will continue. Loop will execute 5 times. For another example, if an array contains 10 elements, then the loop will execute 10 times. Means number of how many number of elements are in the array. In associative array, we cannot use for, while or do while loop to iterate through each element in array, because in associative array key values are not in sequence, means consecutive. It is used as random number or a string value as a key. So we cannot use while, do while or for loop. But instead of this, we can use for each loop. Now example, for example, I want such type of output. Means I have 5 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and I want each and every number is multiplied by with 5. Okay, so here 1 into 5 equal to 5, then second number is 2, 2 into 5 is equal to 10, then 3 into 5 is equal to 15, 4 into 5 is equal to 20. For this, I want or I need a one array with initial value 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And 5 here 5 is a static, fixed. So write the code, write the PHP script. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is declared as a array, and it is a numeric array, and array name is array 1. Now echo statement is used to multiply each element with 5. Now I just multiply each and every elements of array 1 with 5. So I have to go with each and every element. So multiplication statement is repeat for each and every statement. So I use a for each as a statement. Then array name as any variable name. So I use here a $a. Then multiplication statement echo $a into 5 is equal to $a into 5. So here first start with each and every elements of array. So first element is 1. So $a contains 1. So in a bracket I write echo statement, means here $a means 1 into 5 equal to 1 into 5. 1 into 5 means 5. So the output is like this: 1 into 5 equal to 5. After completion of the echo statement of first array, the value of $A becomes 2. Now the same statement is repeated for the element 2. 2 into 5 is equal to 2 into 5. 2 into 5 means 10. So the output is like this. 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Now again, after completion of this statement, the value of $A becomes 3. And the output is generated for 3 into 4 is equal to 15. Then next element is 4 and the statement is 4 into 4 is equal to 20. Then next 5. After the completion of each and every elements of $A, for each statement is completed and our script is also completed. Now start with one example of a for each loop. So again open the notepad ++ and here start. Okay. Now in PHP script, first declare one variable $A equal to array name is equal to A, then array statement, array function which is used to create a array. Now here I write 10, 11, no, okay, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. I declare one array $A with value 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Now I just want to print a simple array, means all the values of array in our output. So I write for each in bracket variable name array name which is $A as for example I take one variable as a $value. Now open bracket and then close bracket. In between this write echo statement to print each and every elements of array. So write echo $value. After printing one value, write BR statement and semicolon. Okay. Now my code is completed. First save the code, Ctrl S, then open a browser and refresh the code. So here the output is like this: 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. So this for each statement just print each and every elements of array. So at first the value of the element of $value is equal to 10. After printing one element, the value of $value is equal to 20, then 30, then 40 and then 50. So in this for each loop, 5 times this loop is executed, and after that the loop is terminated and my output is displayed on the screen. Thank you.